This is how thousands of donuts are made every day in a modern factory. From simple ingredients to delicious donuts, this process is fully automated. Every donut begins with flour, the base ingredient. The flour is prepared for mixing into dough. Sugar adds sweetness and balance to the donut dough. Milk gives donuts a soft and rich texture. Yeast is essential for making the dough rise. Butter adds flavor and softness to every donut. All ingredients are moved into the production system. The process begins with combining dry ingredients. Liquid ingredients are added to form the dough. The mixture begins to transform into soft dough. Large mixers knead the dough evenly. Kneading develops the dough structure.
The dough reaches the perfect consistency.
The dough moves forward for shaping. The dough is flattened into sheets. A smooth surface ensures uniform donuts. Machines cut the dough into perfect donut shapes. Each donut is shaped with precision. The dough now moves to proofing, where it will rise. This step allows the donuts to become soft and airy. Inside the proofing chamber, the donuts rise and become soft.
This step creates the light and fluffy texture of donuts.
Yeast creates air pockets inside the dough. After rising, the donuts are ready for frying. Now comes the most exciting part, frying. The donuts are gently placed into hot oil. The heat quickly cooks the dough from the outside. Hundreds of donuts fry at the same time.
The donuts develop a golden, crispy surface.
Machines flip the donuts for even frying. Both sides are cooked perfectly. After frying, the donuts move to cooling. Excess oil is removed for perfect texture. The outer layer is slightly crisp, while inside stays soft. Cooling prepares them for glazing. Heat escapes as the donuts cool down. The donuts are now ready for the next stage. Now the donuts move to glazing.
Each donut is positioned perfectly.
Rich chocolate glaze coats each donut. This is what makes donuts so visually satisfying. Colorful sprinkles add texture and style. Each donut gets a consistent finish. Different flavors are added for variety. The donuts become colorful and visually appealing. Some donuts are filled with cream.
The filling adds extra richness.
These donuts are now fully prepared. The donuts are now ready for quality check. Machines check size and quality. Imperfect donuts are removed. Only perfect donuts continue. The donuts are prepared for packing. Each donut is placed into a tray. The trays move to packaging machines. Packaging preserves freshness. The donuts are protected for transport. The donuts are now fully packaged. Labels are applied to each pack.
The donuts are grouped for shipment.
Boxes are sealed securely. The donuts are ready for delivery. The finished donuts now move to packaging. High-speed machines pack hundreds of donuts every minute. The packaged donuts are grouped into boxes. Boxes are sealed securely for transport. Trucks are loaded with freshly made donuts. The donuts begin their journey to stores. They travel across cities every day. The donuts arrive at distribution centers. Boxes are sorted for different stores. Finally, the donuts reach stores. Now they are ready for customers.
Fresh, shiny, and delicious. Every donut is made to perfection.
Customers can now enjoy them. The journey is almost complete.
From factory to your table. Soft inside and perfectly glazed outside.
The inside is soft and fluffy. The glaze adds rich flavor. Every bite is delicious.
This is the result of a complete factory process.
From dough to finished donuts, mixing the dough, frying to golden perfection, glazing the donuts. Every step ensures quality. Thousands are made every day. Modern factories make it possible. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Stay tuned for more.